Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Tuesday morning, all eyes on Hurricane Rina. Now Category 2 system has a 5 o'clock advisory, wind sustained at 100 miles per hour. The latitude 17.3 north, longitude 83.6 west. If you'd like to track the system at home with us, pressure 975 millibars. It's moving very slowly over the very warm waters of the Caribbean. It's moving west-northwest at 3 miles per hour, and that's allowing it to actually gain strength. It's about 210 miles southwest of Grand Cayman. Now, this system, pretty impressive on the color satellite. You can see the outer feeder bands bringing the warmth, and you can see the energy in towards the center of circulation, indicated on the darker shades you're seeing here on the color satellite. Now, this system is moving ever so slowly to the northwest. Outer bands are already affecting portions of Grand Cayman as well as western Cuba. Now, the models are not in agreement of where the system will go, and that's why we're really going to be watching the system very closely as we end the work week and begin the weekend. It all depends on a timing of a frontal boundary that is expected to move into the north, basically over the southeast U.S. Just to the south of the system, we have trade winds pushing the system towards the west. So some models have the system heading straight to the west over the Yucatan Peninsula. Some models have the system pushing to the north and then eventually pushing east, all depending on when that frontal boundary will move in. So that's why we need to watch it. Now, this time of year is where we do look for tropical cyclone developments in the northwest Caribbean, because it's just the area that's fueled for the systems this time of year. Now you can see the forecast cone has the system intensifying to a Category 3, a major Category 3 system, before making landfall somewhere near the Yucatan Peninsula by the end of the week, and then it will take that turn towards the east as that frontal boundary approaches the northern portions of Florida. So this is something we definitely need to keep our eyes on. As you can see, the extended cone has portions of the Keys as well as southwest Florida under it for now. Remember, systems never travel in a straight line. They could intensify, because intensification of a storm is very difficult to forecast, or it could move a little bit slower. So there's a lot we need to watch over the next couple days. But what we do know for sure is that a hurricane watch and a tropical storm watch is in effect for portions of the Yucatan Peninsula. Now, we are expecting that possibility of the system to push towards the northeast. As the past has shown, this is where they normally form, and then sometimes they take it mainly over Cuba and into the Bahamas. But it looks as though there is that possibility it could take that northeast track. So we'll be watching it very closely. The other area we're watching has a 40% chance of development. It's a broad area of low pressure. It is expected to push towards the west. As it does so, it will eventually move more towards the north. You can see the models are pretty much in agreement of where the system will go. So we'll watch that as well in the days to come. Great start on this Tuesday. Temperatures in the upper 60s in Fort Lauderdale, Miami, lower 70s in Key West, upper 60s in Pembroke Pines, Kendall, and Homestead. Feels so nice out there. We have that north wind in place, anywhere between 6 and 15 miles per hour. Wind gusts reported down by the Keys near 20 to 23 miles per hour. High pressure in place to the north. We've got tropical moisture to the south. We'll see a bit of dry air filtering into South Florida, so that will suppress any widespread chance of showers or storms. We're expecting to stay warm, breezy, with just a chance of a stray shower. The marine forecast does not look good because the seas are expected to be rough with how windy it's going to be. There's a threat of rip currents and a small craft advisory. Miami-Dade and Broward, the bay will be choppy. Small craft advisory for you in the Keys, and nearshore waters will be rough. Highs today still comfortable and below average, 83 at the coast, 84 inland. Our average high is 85. Lows will be in the upper 60s and then lower 70s for the coast. Now, all eyes on the rest of our work week, because we're going to be watching that frontal boundary move in by Thursday and Friday. Then we'll have to watch what occurs with Hurricane Rina by the weekend. Have a great day.